Your initial job payment. How does $175 for a day's work sound? Because we have an employer waiting to write your first $175 check out for you. This is for online app review work with flexible hours. Click the link below and confirm you want this position now. A few more details. Online app review work involves downloading and testing apps made by small online businesses. One day you'll be testing an app for managing personal finances, another day you'll be testing a dieting app, and on another day you'll be testing game apps. If that sounds like work you could be good at, go to the link below and confirm you want this job now. You don't need any experience, we will provide full training, it's free and takes just 30 minutes. And, as I say, your new employer is waiting to sign off your first $175 check. So, click the link in the description to confirm your new online job position now.